We're going to look at these beautiful fabrics that are perfect for the white shirt. Now they don't have to be white because these are not. These are kind of more eggshell because some of us just can't wear white and we do better. So I did all of these and they're just beautiful. They're all $16.99 and they're just really, really pretty. Let me show them to you. This is 100% viscose. The weave on this is a crepe back satin. So you can see one side is shiny, one side is matte. It's really beautiful. 100% viscose, has great, great drape. $16.99 to steal. This is just, it's 100% cotton. I'm telling you, it's the softest fabric I think I've ever felt. It is just really, really beautiful. Again, this is a kind of a milk. You can see where these two are more cream color and this one, and then these are whites. And you can see those difference between, or hopefully you can see those differences. This is a linen. And this would be a beautiful, like the white shirt for summer. If you don't do a white, it's a really pretty, it's 100% linen. These are all wovens, and they're all $16.99. They're just really, really pretty and perfect. Tonight, we're going to have the white shirt, and I'm going to show you all kinds of ideas of ways to make the white shirt, and so these are for that. This is a white. This is really pretty white. This is 100%. Let's see, I think this is 100% viscose, yeah. Great white, beautiful white, great drape, no see-through. It's really, really a beautiful fabric. This is a cotton poly, and love the print on it. It's kind of a tone-on-tone print. It's also really pretty. A cotton poly as opposed to cotton, or, whatever, but it's very nice. This is 100% cotton. It's an embroidered, perfect. Again, we'll see tonight where I did some white shirts that just had a little bit of decoration, but they're still considered a white shirt, and it goes with just everything. This is a beautiful, it's got pink and blue little embroidery all through it. It's lovely. It's very, very pretty. All right, so there you have it. Today, $16.99. The goal, you know it. Happy white shirt sewing from Silhouette Patterns.